Hello everybody, it's Foxy speaking, and here's me, Foxy and the duckies. Me and the story of ducks. This is a lovely duck. Lovely duck. They could be the duck version of the HP volunteers. Probably not. That'd be too cheesy, I have to say. But really nice ducks. A resemblance to Kevin from Up, but except they're not as tall as Kevin, but could you imagine if they were? I mean, I do wish they were as big as Kevin. Kevin! Chocolate! Kevin! Look, chocolate! Yeah! Whilst I was doing the Kevin impression, here goes the whistle. Well, the birds are just walking their way now. Just going to let them go first. These gents, ladies and gents, can go first, as good people should. Oh, I say. The whistle goes again, and all of them are walking. Oh, I should be coming here, that train. Me and the ducks again. Aww. Look at them, they're just cute. Nice. One of them's cleaning itself. Funny the way it does it. Literally like seeing one of Kevin's chicks cleaning itself, but doesn't actually succeed because Kevin's calling. Kevin calling to her children. Sorry, ducky. Sorry, ducks. I've got to go through. Sorry, but Foxy has to go through. Ah! Oh dear. I walked the wrong way into a tree twig. Silly old me.